Oh, so I just made a mistake. I didn't record this. So I got this thing addressed to Sir Muskie Hans from Lyubakas Video. And it's just an MTB that he's challenged me to catch fish. And it had this rear swing loader jig, which is valued at $225. Some biospawn vial bugs. I don't know why you would call a fish after vial. I don't know why a fish would want to eat puke anyways. But I don't know. I'll try it out. Then we got this Lucky Craft, some really overpriced square bill baits. We'll test that out today. Then we got some Carl Amazing Baits, the Runt. Looks like a decent bait. I don't know, it looks really funny. Then we have a Max Lure crankbait. And we have this walleye bait. Oh, and we got another sticker, a Catch Company sticker that's going on the sea nymph. I might put it on a Little Boozy actually, so got another sticker for my boat. All in all, should be a fun challenge, and we're going to catch some slobs on this. Let me see. Biting this. Zola, you're an asshole in the bass hole. I've had bites. Zoli, come up here. I have a Zoli that's scaring all the fish from me. Yes, we got one on the mousy crankbait. There's one on the mousy crankbait. Here's a big school of bass. Fucking A. There, we got one on the blade bait. We got fish on two of the things from the box. Nice little bass. One just inhaled it too. Good job. Let's try to catch another one on this, seeing as it works. They seem to be interested in this thing. Or this is a bait that the dinkers can take. There, we got a fish on two of the things. We have a Zola monster that's being fucking annoying. So let's see, what else do we have to use from here. We better go back to using this bio spawn thing. Where's that? Wasn't there like some funky weight thing in here too? So we better use this swing jig and put the vial spawn on it. Then we got that other crankbait. We don't seem to like the vial spawn here.
feel like it must be for like punching. So let's make sure we land this one. Zola, no! There, we have one more crank to catch one on. The cranks will be the easy part. This Vios craw is going to be the tough part. We better make sure we're recording, which we are. Here's one on the Vile, on the one Lucky Craft, I think. Have one more crank to catch one on. Maybe we can get one to pick up this plastic thing. Please take one of you big suckers. What the fuck? Why'd my line snap on that fish? Must be some weak line. Zola, I blame you. So I'm not going to get this because I lost the jig because it snapped off. Is there any bass hanging out over here? A dink. There's a decent, that might actually take the crank. There's one on the crank. We didn't get anything on the Vile spawn and I'm out of plastic hooks. Here's one. Zoli. It's gone. Actually, we did hook into one on the Vile craw. It just did not, we just didn't land it. We got one on this swim bait, this mini swim bait. I figured it like this. They were not wanting anything fast, but they were chasing things. So I figured I'd put on a swim bait without a weight, and this catches one right away, of course. That's for my one walleye box, so not this box Lubo sent me. Try wacky rigging this beast. Because this is how much I have zero confidence in this bait. If we wacky rig it, it'll stay up higher, and we'll catch one on it. It definitely sinks a lot slower. Looks like absolutely fucking nothing. We'll catch another one on the swim bait. They're dinky bass and they're stupid. Another ditch pickle on the swim bait. Let's see if I can catch one on this fucked up. The dink is a dink machine. Maybe if we cast it up into this shit, we'll catch one on it. Wow! This is on the Vile Crowd. We need to go down and land the sucker because he has me in some shit. Hopefully he's still on. Yes, he is still on. Sweet. There, we got one on the Vile Crowd. We better make sure we're still recording. This is a rough bait. This bait must suck.
So I was able to catch fish on everything in the mystery tackle box that Lubo sent me, but that one 3/8 ounce funky jig head, because when I set the hook on it hard, I snapped the line. I'm only was fishing with 6 and 8 pound mono on these lines. It's a little light for bass fishing, but I noticed when you set the hook on bass with plastics, you really need to whale the hook into them when you use light and mono. So that's the only reason why I set the hook so hard. I think my Zola friend had bit my line because she was getting really mad at me for not throwing sticks for her because she needs attention and she really is fascinated by water. So I think she might have bit my line and there were some weak spots in it. That's my excuse for me not completing this, but all in all, it was fun. I should send this to someone, but I'm kind of tight on money now. But that's it for this video.